Hey, who wants to write apps for the phone? We'll grab your SDKs and let's get started.
Don't listen to him, write apps for the web.
Why would you want to do something like that?
You bought 3 coding books for reading on your Kindle, but they never got read. The whole deal is a swindle. Pony annual fees for app sales, then they tax it. I'm telling you, man, that app store is a racket. You're much better off with HTML. The web page markup that I know you know well. The latest spec lets you store data on phones even when offline, but the browser phone's home. Your iPhone, Android, Palm, soon Blackberry, local data storage, SQL, it's no worry.
Yeah, cross-platform apps are a real seduction, but you're giving up your form and most of your function, and your app it hobbles in the passing lane like a one-legged zombie but with far less brains. Running your crap on the web, no performance. Mine is grease lightning. You run like a tortoise. You don't understand the mental model users are adopting. They don't want to hit the web, they want one-stop shopping. Here's how you make your application fun. Turn it on, do your thing, turn it off, and you're done.
When the iPhone came out, sure the browser was slow, but the new smartphones, 0.5 gigahertz or more. That's faster than the box on which your mom does her taxes. Pretty snappy, win me, but now it's like molasses. In praxis, I already write scripts, it's easy. Better than compiling native code till my teeth bleed. Time that I save, put in media queries, add user agent switch statements, style sheets, fear me. Custom Chrome, each phone, modus operandi. Willy Wonka school by my custom eye candy. Yeah!
Did that school teach you usability? Cause I think you missed it. With apps for devices, the use is holistic. Gotta act like you belong, not draw their attention like a steampunker crashing an avatar convention. Use is more than Chrome and colors. Look at navigation. Modern users look for standard gestures, menus, animations. And what about richness of movement and location? Do you want to surf the web or record your whole vacation? When I tilt your web app, it's stuck in a groove. With my purely native code, I can bust a move.
But that'll only improve. Heck, web apps get location. And if the case came where I needed acceleration, I'd wrap my web app in the library phone gap.
Excuses, you're giving mobile a bum rap. Try adding 3D to your list of what apps do. Or write a game that's not Scrabble, chess, or Sudoku. And you know CSS competes with OpenGL like a Cub Scout against 10 Marines with the 50 cal. Boom! 3D mushroom clouds filling the room. Now go back to your text adventure version of Doom.
Sure, games make money, but think of their use. They're casual, waiting in line at Jamba Juice. You're making the mistake of the hardcore PSP when a simple DS meets the goal just as easily. Heavy-duty third-dimension graphics drain the life of your battery faster than the scripts I'm paid to write. But hey, if you want 3D page flip transitions, perspective transforms of element positions, web apps can do that. CSS has you covered. It's your Mel Gibson, CSS is Danny Glover. Yeah! I'm too old for this.
CSS animations, are you out of your gourd? That's a terrible sin in the eyes of the web lord. Every time I bring up something hard, you just dance around it, pulling out your library card. Or some spec or frameworks only halfway done, as if JavaScript and CSS are rainbows and fun. Look, there's only one way that this thing can go. Do your web apps for free or jump into the cash flow. Advertising won't help you survive, but just one little eye fart can set you for life. No app store, no eyeballs, no business plan, making just enough cash to pay the rent on your trash can. Hate to play the role of Scrooge McDuck, but without a good market, you're totally, what was that line? Out of luck, sunk, it'll come to me.
Trash can, your app waits in limbo for a month. You're stuck eating ramen, watching reruns of Monk. Your funk only lifted if the App Store approves it, and we both know the king of that process is ruthless. The truth is, even if it does get approved, there's a chance that your make-it-rich dream comes unglued. When a bug in your app that slipped through the process makes users hate it, they leave lots of comments. You update your code, test patches, submit it, but it still takes a month, so your app gets attrited from all the top 10 lists, losing all worth. It's a digital coaster, like Battlefield Earth. My app sells anywhere and updates on the fly. You can't have your cake or eat it because the cake is a lie.
Yeah, but you know, pretty much all of that only applies to the Apple Store.
Yeah.
There are other platforms, Android and Blackberry, and everything we said here will be obsolete in like 5 seconds.
Yeah, and we didn't even talk about how like Flash can write programs for the iPhone or Android, and there's the whole Windows Mobile Phone Series 7 series coming this fall to Fox.
Yeah, Microsoft needs to fire someone in marketing.
Yeah.